Okay, here is my 3-minute English tip for this week. Sometimes as I've read through assignments up to this point, there are some words that are spelled wrong, so they're misspelled. So one way to prevent that, to make sure you don't have misspelled words, is to, when you're in the Word, Microsoft Word, what you can do is up at the top, you have a box. You can't see it from on my screen, but when you click Tools, at the very top there's something called Spelling and Grammar. If you click there, it will tell you which words it suggests that you may have spelled wrong. So just for an example, I'm just going to do spoke with a partner. I'll spell it wrong. See, that one automatically changed it. I'm going to change it back to partner the wrong way. Spoke with a partner. So it underlines it in red, and then when I come to Tools, I hit Spelling and Grammar, and it will come in. It will give me some suggestions saying, maybe you meant spook. I didn't want spook. I wanted spoke. So I'd pick spoke and then click change. It will change it in my document. Partner, it says, oh, that's the only suggestion. That's what it is. I want to change it. Okay. It wants me to capitalize. Click green underline means it's a grammar. It wants me to change the grammar of that. The red underline, squiggly underline means that it's a spelling error that it wants me to fix. So that is something I would suggest you do on all Word documents that you submit to me. Take it through the Tools Spelling and Grammar check first before you submit it, so we don't have any words that are misspelled, because that's something that can easily be done with the tools that we have. And if you have a laptop, you can do, if you have the 2-click, or if you have a mouse and you hit the right click, it can give you the option as well. So let me show you real quick. So if I have Spock, if I wrote Spock instead of spoke, I just clicked on it and it gave me the options. Spook, nope, spoke. And I can change it. So you can do that way. I hover over it and then I click with 2 fingers, and you might have a right click. Partner, I did 2-click and I change it. So those are the 2 different ways that you can do spell check in Microsoft Word. Once again, if you still do not have Microsoft Office and aren't able to download templates and upload them, it needs to be done so that you're submitting templates the way that they need to be submitted. So email me with any questions if you still don't know how to do that. So good luck with keeping your spelling accurate without any words spelled wrong.